Hey, welcome back, Project Redboy. And the two biggest things this elephant needs is brakes, tires. Tires more than brakes. But somebody else is doing the tires. I got the parts for the brakes. Hey, this could be a clown show, a horror show, or just smooth sailing. I've never touched a Dodge before, so I don't know. So bear with me, and I'm going to be taking a lot of film because I don't know what the hell I'm actually looking at. I've got it set up to jack, and you know, that's pretty straightforward stuff. I'll bring you back when I've got the wheel off and it's jacked up on jack stands. Show you what I've got. I'm doing the passenger side now, and I'll tell you what, it wasn't the slider bolts that were hard, it was these, where the hell are they? These things. Yeah, here they are. These two things about killed me. Burned the shit out of my hand, it got so hot. Wow. Oh, I'm just so happy. I just took my breaker bar and whatever this is, a 6mm, whatever it is, and I was easily able to break free the socket or the slide bolts. So let me just pause right here a second and figure things out. All right, let me pop off this tire and jack it up completely and jack stand it. I've never worked on Dodge brake before, so this is just too stupid though. This is a 2021 Ram ProMaster, and the adjustment, all that stuff is on the side instead of being on the top. But also, I cannot find anywhere on this back plate that you can reach in from the back and move this adjuster. Nowhere. Unless they figure you're supposed to just line up this bolt hole and pick it through with a screwdriver. Virtually impossible to get to that and retract that spring. Okay, well, I'm down. I really don't want to fool with these, but I've got the new stuff. And all I hear are bad things about these little clips and pins and crap and how they've set it up. So let's see what we've got. On the top, we've got a single spring and the adjuster. I'm calling it top, but it's the side. We've got a single clip holding the pad or shoe on. On this side here, what the hell? That must be our expander or something, but you've got, I think, 2 springs here. Let me get in here where I can really look. Yeah, I believe there's 2 springs in here. I watched a video, and then you've got the same little pin connection there to hold on the shoe. Oh, man. How did he do it? I think he put a screwdriver in, spread it, and popped out the adjuster. But let me do this. Because I'm working in the driveway, all these little pieces, I'm tying a piece of string to them. That way, when they pop free, as you can see, I'll be able to find them. Okay, this video is for me. The slide pins are different bolts. The top bolt is the thin one, and the bottom bolt is the fat one. Just remember that. I got it all buttoned up. I just need to slap the wheel back on it, and I'm done.